make your hair shiny, get glossy hair under 2 minutes. Do you have hair that have dry ends? Have you color treated your hair so much that they don't shine anymore? Or are you going through a phase that the hair are lacking luster? Are you a person who doesn't have time to go for masks or hair treatments, or do not know how to make home remedies? Then you are like me, and this trick is going to blow your mind, and it works every single time. So you want to stick around and watch this video. So hi and welcome to my channel Jazzy Joe. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing because my channel is full of great entertaining unboxing videos, very well explained product reviews and quick beauty tips, or if that's not enough, it's full of great giveaways. Now let's get to the point and start talking about the topic of the day, which is how to make your hair shiny and glossy under 2 minutes. So here's the trick. First of all, just when it's your hair wash day, which is not for me, this is the third day of my hair wash, and I specifically chose this day because I wanted to show you how long the result lasts for this trick. So the trick is, first of all, shampoo your hair normally. Step 2, condition your hair normally. Apply conditioner, whichever you want. I am these days using this L'Oreal shampoo. It's the Blondifier. Who know this video is not at all sponsored by L'Oreal. I wish it was, but it isn't. However, this is the L'Oreal shampoo that I'm using these days, and I try to complement always my conditioner matching to my shampoo, so they are like from the same family, same kind of effects. And now comes the step number 3, where the whole magic begins. What you gotta do is you gotta bring your serum slash detangler to the shower, and what you gotta do is you have to take 6 to 7 pumps of this serum and apply it throughout your hair, throughout your wet hair. You're still in the shower, remember. You have to apply it throughout your hair. I usually take in one hand, and then with the other hand I just apply with the tips throughout, covering the whole head, and then I just wrap them around in a bun or something, and after waiting for 2 minutes you just wash it out like normal conditioner. And after you've washed out, then you're done, and you can air dry or hair dry, whatever you do. I try to use least amount of heating on my hair, and so I don't do hair drying. I let them air dry, just dry in the air. Let me show you. This is the third day of my hair. After I washed my hair, this is the third day, and I'm actually quite impressed. So for the hair that are as color treated as mine, this shine is already a lot for me, to be honest. And this is really the third day of the wash. When you have washed freshly, they are even more shinier and even more softer to touch. And of course, tangling is reduced to bare minimum. Of course, they will be tangle free because you applied so much of detangler or serum, but not only that, they will be super shiny and absolutely soft to touch. You will love the hair. These will be one of the best hair in a long time. If you have really oily hair, then you possibly don't want to do this trick because then it's adding more oil to your hair. But if you have an experience that your scalp is oily but the hair ends are still dry, then it still might be a good idea for you to just do this trick at the end of the hair, just the dry parts. And this is it. This is the trick. If you like this video, do hit on the like button. Do try this trick and let me know in the comments below how did the result turn out. I am hoping that it will work for you as well, because who doesn't like shiny hair after all? And thank you for watching this one. Ciao till next time.